celebrating Freddie Mercury, a journey through his musical legacy and untold stories. Freddie Mercury, the flamboyant frontman of Queen, captured the world with his electric stage presence and a voice that transcended the ordinary. His charisma and unparalleled talent in engaging audiences made him a global icon in the music industry. Born in Zanzibar in 1946, Freddie Mercury, originally named Farrokh Bulsara, spent most of his childhood in India. It was in these formative years that he first explored music, learning piano and developing a fondness for rock and roll. Freddie's journey into music took a pivotal turn when he moved to England and met Brian May and Roger Taylor, leading to the formation of Queen in 1970. The band's unique sound was a fusion of rock, opera, and complex harmonies. The release of Bohemian Rhapsody in 1975 catapulted Queen to stardom. This 6-minute suite, known for its unconventional structure and lyrical mystique, dominated the charts and set a new standard for musical innovation and ambition. On stage, Mercury was a force of nature. His dynamic performances were characterized by a theatrical style that included elaborate costumes and intense interaction with the audience. This approach not only defined his career, but also influenced the realm of live music performances. Freddie Mercury's songwriting prowess shone brilliantly in tracks like Somebody to Love. This gospel-inspired anthem reflects his ability to blend complex harmonies with deeply personal lyrics, showcasing not only his vocal range but also his emotional depth. Mercury's vocal talents were truly extraordinary, characterized by a staggering 4-octave range. This rare ability allowed him to express a broad spectrum of emotions, from the tenderest whispers in Love of My Life to the powerful belting in Who Wants to Live Forever. One of Freddie Mercury's most iconic performances was at the Live Aid concert in 1985. His charismatic stage presence and masterful command of the crowd at Wembley Stadium are often cited as one of the greatest live performances in rock history. Away from the limelight, Mercury faced personal struggles with a dignified silence. His battle with AIDS was kept private until the day before his death in 1991, reflecting his desire to be remembered for his music rather than his illness. Collaborating with other iconic artists was another facet of Mercury's career. His duet with David Bowie on Under Pressure is a testament to his versatility and ability to create timeless music across different musical genres. Freddie Mercury's impact on fashion was as vivid and dramatic as his stage performances. He often wore extravagant costumes that became synonymous with rock star flamboyance, influencing not just musicians, but fashion designers who admired his boldness and originality. Mercury's advocacy for the LGBTQ+ community, though subtle during his lifetime, became profoundly influential after his death. His openness in his personal life helped pave the way for future conversations about sexuality in the music industry, fostering a more inclusive environment. Queen's approach to music videos, particularly with hits like Bohemian Rhapsody, helped pioneer the music video revolution. This innovative visual format not only enhanced their songs, but also changed how music was consumed and marketed worldwide. Freddie Mercury's quotes, filled with humor and wisdom, continue to inspire fans. For instance, his declaration, "I won't be a rock star, I will be a legend," has echoed through the years, encapsulating his charismatic confidence and visionary outlook. The creation of We Are the Champions marked a significant moment in music history. This anthem, crafted by Mercury, has become a global sports and victory anthem, resonating with diverse audiences for its themes of triumph and perseverance. Freddie Mercury's relationship with Mary Austin was more than just a romance. It was a lifelong friendship. Even after their romantic involvement ended, Mercury trusted Austin immensely, leaving her the majority of his estate and his mansion in Kensington. Mercury's passion for art and design was evident from his days at Ealing Art College, where he earned a diploma in graphic art and design. This background influenced Queen's visual style, including the creation of the iconic band logo. The Magic Tour in 1986 marked Freddie Mercury's last series of live performances with Queen. Showcasing his incredible energy and dedication, these concerts are remembered for their powerful delivery and emotional depth, highlighting Mercury's commitment to his fans and music. Throughout his career, Mercury ventured into various musical styles, seamlessly blending rock with opera, disco, and more. This eclectic approach not only showcased his versatility, but also pushed the boundaries of what could be achieved in popular music. Freddie Mercury was always at the forefront of musical innovation. His daring approach to songwriting and stage performance helped pave the way for future generations of artists, constantly challenging the norms and expectations of the music industry. Freddie Mercury's love for animals, particularly cats, was profound. He owned several cats throughout his life, treating them as if they were his own children. His affection for these pets showcased a softer side to the rock legend's public persona. Despite his flamboyant stage presence, Mercury was known for his private nature. He carefully guarded his personal life, creating a stark contrast with his exuberant performances. This duality added to the enigmatic appeal that still fascinates fans and biographers alike. In his final years, Freddie Mercury worked on songs that poignantly reflected his struggle with illness. Tracks like "The Show Must Go On" convey a heartbreaking yet inspiring determination, offering a glimpse into his resilience and dedication to his art. Tributes from other artists have continually honored Mercury's legacy. Acts like Lady Gaga, who named herself after one of Queen's songs, and numerous cover versions of Queen's hits, underscore the lasting impact of Mercury's work on the music industry. Freddie Mercury's influence continues to resonate with new generations. His music, style, and defiance in the face of personal challenges have made him an enduring icon of artistic freedom, celebrated worldwide by fans who find inspiration in his life and contributions to music. Freddie Mercury remains an enduring symbol of artistic freedom, embodying the spirit of innovation and defiance. His fearless approach to music and performance continues to inspire artists and fans alike, making him a permanent fixture in the pantheon of cultural icons. The Freddie Mercury tribute concert in 1992 stands as a monumental event, celebrating his life and contributions to music. Featuring performances from some of the biggest names in the industry, it highlighted his widespread influence and the deep void his passing left in the music world. Posthumously, Freddie Mercury's voice continues to resonate through unreleased tracks and compilations, introducing his artistry to new audiences. These releases help maintain his presence in the music industry, ensuring that his legacy continues to grow and influence. Remembering Freddie Mercury involves celebrating his imaginative spirit and his relentless pursuit of musical excellence. Fans old and new find inspiration in his recordings, interviews, and live performances, which are readily accessible in this digital age. To further explore the life and impact of Freddie Mercury and other music legends, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Dive into the stories of musicians who shaped our cultural landscape and continue to inspire generations with their creativity and passion. Freddie Mercury, the charismatic frontman of Queen, continues to captivate audiences globally with his dynamic stage presence and operatic voice. His influence transcends music, touching fashion, art, and advocacy, forever enshrining him as a cultural icon of artistic freedom.